Josh Roblox channel by Josh. Where to find his account? So here's the link. That is my profile. Remember to follow me on Roblox. What friends do he know in Roblox and in real life? That means that my friends play Roblox. So it's Jason, Aria, Rico, and Ada. Don't say that I'm GF with her. If you say that, that means you're very mean. Anyways, which day did he start playing Roblox? 5.2. Wait, I think that's wrong. Sorry. It's meant to be 2.5. That's my bad. My bad. It's 2.5. So it means that play at 2 of May 2019. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.